Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Halloween drawings, a Halloween pumpkin, and a spider.
Let's start drawing.
Now let's draw a Halloween pumpkin. I start with the shape of the pumpkin. Then I draw two eyes like this. The nose holes and a scary mouth.
Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Orange, light green,
Oba! Now let's draw a spider. I draw her head. I draw her eyes like this. Then I draw her mouth with two small teeth. Now I draw her body with her 8 legs. Spooky.
Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Black, and gray.
And I add some dark blue into the background.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.